everyone, and welcome back to AI Tech Feed No Code AI Tool Series. In this tutorial, we are going to deep dive into an AI tool called Bubble. One of the most popular no-code platforms in the world. Bubble now lets you create full-featured mobile and web applications with drag and drop tools and powerful AI integrations. If you have ever had an app idea but did not know how to code, Bubble can now make it possible. Let's jump in and explore in detail how this tool works.
Let's start by exploring their homepage to see what it's all about. Right away, the main headline: One AI powered platform to build, launch, and grow your business, tells a powerful story. It positions Bubble not just as a simple builder, but a comprehensive AI enhanced tool for creating serious applications. To get a better sense of its capabilities, let's look at the main navigation. We have links for product, resources, community, examples, pricing, and enterprise. Let's focus on the product menu to understand the core features. Under this menu, we get a detailed breakdown. The native mobile section confirms that you can build true iOS and Android apps. Use AI to build highlights their new generative features. And by having dedicated sections for founders, developers, and enterprise clients, Bubble makes it clear that the platform is versatile enough for everyone, from solo entrepreneurs to large corporations. Next, let's explore the resources menu, which is thoughtfully organized into two categories: build and learn. The build section is focused on accelerating your development with tools like AI integrations, pre built templates, and powerful plugins. The Learn section demonstrates Bubble's commitment to user education, offering a full academy, technical guidelines, and a blog for ongoing support. Beyond the official resources, the community menu connects you with other developers through the official forum and even provides early access to new features. And if you are looking for inspiration, the example section is the place to go, featuring success stories, a gallery of apps built on Bubble, and various use cases. Finally, let's look at the pricing page. The most prominent message here is start building for free, which is a fantastic entry point for anyone new to the platform. It means you can sign up and start experimenting without any financial commitment. They also provide specific details on mobile app pricing, which is important to note for more advanced projects. Back on the homepage, let's scroll down to see how Bubble presents its core value proposition. The first thing we encounter is an animation of the editor in action. It showcases the visual drag and drop interface for both web and mobile, giving us a glimpse of how you can build a complex AI powered app without writing any code. Continuing down, Bubble establishes its credibility with impressive social proof. Millions of builders, millions of apps, and logos from major companies like Yamaha and L'Oreal. This is immediately followed by a section highlighting the platform's versatility, showing that you can build anything from a marketplace to an internal tool or an AI SaaS product. The page then dives deeper into its standout features. There's a dedicated section for native mobile, emphasizing that your app can be published directly into the App Store and Play Store. This is followed by another highlight of their AI capabilities, reinforcing how artificial intelligence is woven into the visual editor to help you build faster. Finally, they round out the page with powerful testimonials. These are intelligently categorized by user type, founder, enterprise, and AI, allowing potential customers to see themselves in the success stories which makes the platform feel far more relatable and trustworthy. The homepage tour concludes with a Why Bubble section summarizing its core benefits: speed, scalability, and complete creative control. We have seen the features, the community, and the success stories. So now it's time to jump in and create an account. Let's click Get Started. On the sign up page, we'll choose the Continue with Google option for a faster setup. After a standard confirmation, Bubble creates our account and takes us directly to the main dashboard. And here we are on the main dashboard. This is our home base for every project we build. Right on the top, we have a section for our apps and prominent buttons to either create with AI or start a new project from scratch. Below, Bubble provides helpful resources to guide you as you build and learn. This dashboard is where the real journey begins. We've toured the platform and now we are ready to build. In our next video, we'll use the Create with AI feature to bootstrap our very first application. Let's take a closer look at the dashboard navigation. Starting on the left, we are currently in projects. Below that, we find build guides, an interesting feature where AI can help you generate a plan for your app. The templates and plugins section are where you'll manage any assets you purchase or create to extend your application's functionality. Now, let's shift our focus to the main navigation at the top of the page. The resources menu here is even more comprehensive than on the home page, packed with everything from video lessons and boot camps to detailed documentation. This demonstrates a deep commitment to user success. Finally, the support tab gives you direct access to the help center, community forums, and the Bubble support team. And that completes our introduction to Bubble. In this video, we've toured the homepage to understand its core value proposition, created a free account, and explored the user dashboard to see where the magic happens. You now have a solid foundation and are ready to start building. In our next video, we'll do just that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.